What's up everyone? Today we're going to be going over SOS stock and my thoughts on how the stock is going to perform this week. Let's get into the video. Hey everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into SOS stock and its potential for a trade this week, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock at the moment, why it's your favorite stock at the moment, and to also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you want 2 free stocks and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, go ahead and click the first link in our description and get all signed up. But without any further ado, let's get into ticker symbol SOS or SOS Limited. So I'm not going to give an overview of SOS in this video because we talk about this stock so often on the channel. If you guys want my breakdown on what SOS does, go watch any of the other videos I've made on SOS. I'm sure it'll be in a card. In today's video, I kind of just wanted to go over more of the just technical analysis and where I think the stock's going to be going this week. But first, let's just go over some of the financials on Yahoo Finance. They have a market cap of about $758 million. They have an average volume of 59 million trades per day and a volume on last Friday or 2 days ago of about 22 million trades. And for Yahoo Finance's performance outlooks for SOS, they think that it could go down in the short term, 2 to 6 weeks, and that it'll go up in the midterm from 6 weeks to 9 months, and then on the long term, they also believe that it will go up. And the reason that I brought up these performance outlooks from Yahoo Finance is because I think that Yahoo Finance and the people who make these performance outlooks are factoring in that these lawsuits that have been brought up against SOS stock has investors scared, and I think that's why they think that the stock could continue to go down in the short term. But in the long term, I think that they know that these lawsuits aren't going anywhere and that these short seller reports are fabricated and can be disproven pretty easily. So in the midterm and long term, they think that the stock will go up, just like Riot, just like Mara. And I want to remind you guys that Riot and Mara both had these problems at the beginning too. There's a lot of short sellers saying that Riot and Mara weren't buying these crypto mining rigs, just like SOS is having right now. Basically, SOS is in the position that Riot and Mara were in about a year ago. So yeah, I just wanted to bring that up because I think in the 2 to 6 weeks, we're going to continue to hear these short seller reports. Oh, SOS is a fraudulent stock. Make sure that you get in on this lawsuit so you can recover your losses that this short seller is literally made because they scared investors. And in the last video I made, we went over the digital asset exchange that SOS is now making, and I think that could be very good for the stock. So I very much like this stock long term. The short term though, we're going to go over that in the technical analysis, so let's just go straight there now because this is really going to be the video. It's just going to be doing technical analysis and kind of an update on the stock and my thoughts where it's going in the short term and the long term. Alright, so we're here looking at the 30-minute time frame just to give an overall long-term outlook of this stock. Obviously, the stock was about $1.92, and then they announced that they would be starting to mine crypto and getting into the blockchain ecosystem. So that obviously had retail investors extremely excited about the stock. This is even after all of the hysteria from the GameStop, AMC, and all these meme stocks. So SOS is literally just a stock that people were super happy about. They even had a bit of a bull flag here, but this is when the short seller report came out. So the short seller report comes out, and now the stock goes from $15 or almost $16 at one point, and it went down to all the way down to $6.32. Luckily, I was not invested, but ever since then, people like me and other people have been disproving these short seller reports that we have been seeing come out about SOS stock. So SOS ran back up to about $9, and then more short seller information comes out, and these lawsuits get announced, and now the stock has been trading from about $5 to $8 ever since. And that brings us to today, where we've had a pretty big sell-off over the past week, but we have found support now. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, I would think that we have support at about 580. 580 is support. I do not want to see this SOS break 580 if I am a swing or day trader, as then I think we can go back to about the $5.20 levels. But if we can break out of the resistance, we have resistance at about $6.25. So if we can break out of $6.25 currently in the after hours on Friday, the stock was at $6.14. So if we can break above $6.25, I think we can start making up our way up to more levels at about $7-ish in the next few weeks. So basically what we're going to be looking for come Monday morning is, or just Monday in general, is there going to be a lot of volume, because there was a lot of green volume at the end of the day. But what we're looking for is basically, is it going to go below $5.80? If it does, we're not looking good for this next week. And the other thing we're going to be looking for is, can this break above the $6.20 level? 25 cents, yeah, $6.25 level. If it breaks above that, we're looking very good, and I'll be very excited to maybe get into a swing trade. But as for long term, if we're going to be looking long term, you really want to look more at oh, this lighting must be terrible. You really want to be looking more at the fundamental analysis. But long term, I definitely see this returning to highs this year. So that does present a more than 150% upside. I definitely think this could go back up to around the $15 to $20 range, especially with my thoughts on Bitcoin reaching 100,000 by the end of the year. I know Bitcoin has had a pretty bad week this week, but at the end of the day, I am very bullish on SOS stock, and I figured I would make a video just going over my technical analysis and what I'm watching for come Monday. So basically, to reiterate, I'm looking for the stock to break above about $6.25. If it does that, I'm bullish for the week. If it goes below $5.80, then I will be pretty bearish for the week. So I would agree with Yahoo Finance's short-term evaluation of the stock if it goes below 580, or I will disagree with their short-term outlook of the stock if it goes above $6.25. But yeah, we could see levels of $7 to $8 this week if we can break above that resistance level, or we could see it retrace to about $5 depending on if it goes below that support level. So yeah, that is my thoughts on the technical analysis of the stock. Let me know what you guys think down below. Now, I just want to remind you guys I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Just because I said I'll be bullish if it goes above $6.25 or bearish if it goes below $5.80 doesn't mean that I think you should buy at any of those points. It just means that that's where I will be looking to maybe make an entry if it goes above or below one of those things. That doesn't mean I think you should buy at any set price, because I will never tell you to do that. But if you guys do want financial advice, make sure you seek it out from a professional financial advisor, not some random guy you met on the internet 5 minutes ago. But if you are interested in buying this stock and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, what are you doing? You gotta get in the pre-market and after hours with us. All you gotta do is make an account, deposit $100, and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. And now for comment of the day. Y'all comment and I'll pick one of your comments for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is coming from Paul Meyer, and he said, "Hate to inform you, but ... Sundial does not care what you think." I beg to differ, because I believe that I have a combined like 30 to 40,000 views of Sundial and a lot of likes on those videos as well. So a lot of people do care about my thoughts on Sundial, and that's why I make videos on them. I disagree with your comment, but thank you for the comment anyways for the YouTube algorithm, so you're helping me out, thanks. But that's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you get your 2 free stocks from WeBull. It's really easy to set up, and you get free money. It's super dope. But that's going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.